In our day-to-day life, we had to take a lot of decisions, like how to spend the money or which stream to choose. I will share two stories which will help you to go through these decisions in future. In the movie Dangal, which was based on real life, there was a scene where Geeta Fogart, India's first gold medal winner in Commonwealth Games in 2010, elder daughter of Mahavir Singh, was in a wrestling ring where she had to choose her opponents. When everybody was expecting her to choose the short and the weak one, but she chose the strongest. When everybody was gossiping about her bad decision, her father told, "My daughter has already won 50% of the battle by just overcoming her fear." So, if there is any question before starting your work, like, "Will I be able to do it?" So, stop, it is not for you. You have already lost 50% of your battle. So, before starting any kind of work, start with, "Yes, I will do it, whatever may be the situation." Everything is about your mind. Remember, at that stage, you have already won 50% of it. Now, what comes after a decision? It is its application. Now, I will share another story of a man whose name was Raymond Albert Kroc. He was born on October 5, 1902 in US. He worked in various fields like selling paper cups to real estate agent in Florida and even sometimes playing the piano in the band. After World War II, Kroc became a milkshake mixer salesman for Prince Castle Company. He was just leading his mediocre life till he came across a restaurant named McDonald's. He hadn't watched those fabulous machinery where a burger could be prepared in just 30 seconds. He became so amazed that he dreamt of owning that company. He realized the potential of the place and decided to make it the biggest restaurant business in the world. He put a lot of hard work and finally, at the age of 52, when all people think of retirement, he became the owner of McDonald's. You can watch his full story in the movie The Founder. His secret success mantra was, "Talent will not. Nothing is more common than unsuccessful men with talent. Genius will not. Unrewarded genius is almost a proverb. Education will not. The world is full of educated derelicts. Persistence and determination alone are omnipotent." From these two stories, we can learn whatever we decide in our life, we should do it confidently without questioning our own ability. Instead of thinking your incapability or others' intelligence, just work hard and no one can stop you. If you like my video, please share it with your friends and subscribe my channel.